Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Mastercard from your Instagram. It's very simple thing to do. If you can remove any type of card, and if you follow these steps. So how you can do it? What you have to do? First, open Instagram from your device, and uh, what you have to do, go to your profile section. Now what you have to do, tap on the uh, dot icon from the top right. Now from here you will see a lot of options here. uh, from here, scroll down and search for orders and payment. Now in this section here you will see credit and debit cards, subscription, delivery info, other payment methods. So if you want to remove your cards, so you have to tap on credit and debit cards. Here you will see your added cards here. uh, um, so so you what you have to do, right now I didn't add any card here. What you have to do, just you will see here your card details. Tap on it and you will see an option to remove or delete. Just click it and follow the prompt to remove it. And that's how you can remove any card from your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.